Folcie go Perla Namara, Justyna is anym dom, ta biogon gwelgagom, kupla fokel. Perla Namara, our restaurant, is now located in the heart of Galway city, which since 2016, since March 2016, is the first bilingual city in Ireland. We are very excited about that fact, and I am a linguist and translator by profession, so multilingualism is something I very strongly advocate in any setting, wherever I find myself. And I think that the best way to honor the fact that we are in first bilingual city of Ireland is actually by simply using the language of the local people. Yesterday I had a lovely group of Swiss ladies dining in my restaurant, and they were delighted and very interested by seeing the Irish on the menu, and obviously they related it to their multilingual experience from Switzerland, where they have 4 national languages. And I have to say I feel very proud of taking part in Gradam this year. My motto to use Irish in our restaurant is Ispar Quelge Vriște na Verla Christe. Korf Mahag.